Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another food review. Today, me and Adrian's gonna try these Epic Crunch Ranch Goldfish flavored baked goldfish. So here we freaking go. Here we go. Goldfish. Boom, boom, boom. Baby goldfish, do. Going in. You try them. Try them. Try them. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
You don't like them?
No. Not really.
But you keep eating them.
Nah. Nah. My favorite goldfish back in the day were the pizza ones. Them. Nah. Babe, what do you think? What do you think?
I thought they were good at first, but then the aftertaste is bad too.
Yes, the aftertaste is yucky. Alright, guys. This shit's nasty as hell. Or hell it belongs. Alright, guys. Well, if you liked the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment. Turn post notifications on so you don't miss out on yours truly. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.